What a fine day it is, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And I want to thank you guys for choosing our channel App Tutorial for this video. And in this video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can find the transaction history on your Binance app. Now remember, there is a lot of wallets on Binance. Even in a single Binance account, there's going to be multiple wallets, like your spot wallet, your funding wallet, and your overview wallet, and a lot of other wallet. Alright, now to see the transaction history of each of them, you need to go to those wallet individually. So I'm going to be showing you how you guys can do it for spot in this video, but the method is similar for every single wallet. Just instead of spot, you need to choose those wallet. Alright, now for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And in this video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can see its transaction history. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's jump right into the video. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link to get up to $10 bonus. Now let's get into the video. First step, open your Binance account and log in into your account. Then click on versus wallet. And then on the top there says overview, spot, margin, future. You want to go to the wallet of which you want to see the transaction. So for me, I want to go to spot. So I'm going to go on spot and click on this little icon over here, which looks like, paper and a watch. And it's going to show you all the, transaction history and all the other stuff which happened on this wallet over here, which is this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can find your transaction history in Binance. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.